Hi everyone, my name is Tara and my channel is called Terabyte, which should pop up. Oh, it's right here. I am unboxing the it's the Fujifilm Instax camera. So it looks like this. I've always wanted one of these. I've got the accessories as well. So I am going to switch to my desktop view and quickly unbox this and kind of show you around. So here's my desktop and here's my new camera. Don't mind the mess over here. I need to clean my desk. I'm super excited to have one of these. I've always wanted one. So let's open this. The box matches my yellow shirt and the pink is just super cute. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna take everything out of the box. So there's a cute little cord. It comes with batteries. That's super nice. Little buttons. And I don't know what these are. Little instructions. Yeah, shutter manuals. I'm gonna close the box again and kind of fold it up to make it look pretty in the corner while I finish filming all of this. There we go. So, let's open it up. This is... Oh, it's so cute. It is a very pale pink and it is really pretty. Where's the button? Oh, the button is right here. So I'd have to go like this. I'm gonna add the batteries to it. If I can figure out how. Oh, right here. It said batteries. So, I don't know if I have anything to open these. Maybe my brute strength. My brute strength isn't working. I found something. There we go. Okay. It is super awesome that it does come with batteries. That is really helpful. So I'm just gonna figure out which way batteries go. Okay, so it goes like this. And like this. Perfect. I've always wanted one of these, so I am super duper excited. I'm gonna add this as well. I see these go on sale all the time on Amazon too. And every time I'm like, oh, I'm gonna buy one someday. See if I can get this to go through. Okay, I might add that later. But I do want to see the buttons and how they work. They look super cute. They're like little diamonds. I want the pink diamond one. And then it looks like you get a double-sided sticky tape. Maybe? Yes. They have a specific tape just for these buttons. I'm concentrating so hard to get this around this button. There it goes. Okay, I got the sticky tape on the button. So I'm just gonna put it right there. Oh, it's super cute. I'm going to move this stuff over here. And I have some film. So I will have to add the film real quick. How do I open this? Ooh, okay. So this is what the film looks like. It comes in like a little cartridge, it looks like. I can't open this. I'm struggling. There we are. Okay, is there any? I don't know how to put this in, so we're gonna have to find out together. I'm gonna open the back here. And do not press here. Okay, don't press there. Ooh, good thing I didn't press. Where does it go? I might need to consult with the instructions. Because I don't know what I'm doing. This instructions doesn't tell me. Okay, let's see. Right here. Ooh, Spanish. I don't speak Spanish yet. Maybe someday. Okay, here are the instructions on how to insert the film. So you take it out, and then it looks like there's a little spot here that. Okay, and then it takes. Okay, so it does go where it says "Don't touch." Goes in like this, and then you close it, and then you'll take one picture. Oh, I guess I gotta turn it on first. No, my button already fell off. Okay, so I'll take one picture. And it sends out this, which is like a dud. And then you can take a picture of everything else. I wonder what this picture would look like. Oh, my finger's over the top of it. I guess that wouldn't look good. I'm gonna take a picture of my computer. Let me move my microphone. Let me make my computer look a little nicer by moving these things out of the way. And this phone. I think my finger was in the view. So here is our picture. I want to set it right there. And I better turn this off. Oh, turning it off is super simple. My button already ran away, so I gotta go find it. It went this way. And then, I don't know, I heard that it's a rumor that if you shake them, they develop faster. So I'm just gonna let it sit. Oh, you can see it developing. Ooh, this is what my computer looks like. Cute, getting hair on my lipstick. Let me take off my glasses. There we go. It looks so interesting. I think the flash. Oh, my finger wasn't in the picture. That's good. But yeah, I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions about this product, please let me know. I'm super excited. I've always wanted one of these, so now I can go take pictures when I'm on vacation or something, and I'm very, very, very excited. Here is how my computer picture turned out. It looks very interesting. So you didn't get a lot of the cool RGB effect on the computer, but it's cool. I like it. It's still developing, I think, a little. But yeah, I'm gonna switch back to here. Thank you guys again so much for watching my video. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope this was helpful, and yeah, see you next time. Goodbye!